Today I am going to explain how to prepare chicken curry without any oil for the chronic kidney disease and liver cirrhosis and dilated cardiomyopathy patients. Firstly, we have to pump nutrients for nourishing the organs, and here I am not advocating much chicken, I am advocating fish only, but still many patients wants to know that we would like to take chicken also, and I am advocating 5% of the holistic food. They can have chicken, but it has to be prepared without oil and with defined herbs like green chilies, ginger, garlic, coriander leaves, mint leaves, tomato and other spices, because all the spices are having medicinally valued phytochemicals. Only the harmful one is fats and oils and salt. So here in the preparations, no need to use any such things, and I have shown how to prepare in the video, and you can see, and you can change the format according to your traditional recipes. Here there is no bar to put a particular ingredients only. The only thing is, if you put vegetables, it has to be bleached. You can put potato also. You can put any vegetables along with chicken, so that you can reduce the intake of cereals like wheat and rice, that is a bread and rice, etc. For details, you can download the PDF format from the description.